Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. How many repeating tasks do you have in your life? Think about the routine things that you need to do every week, every month, every year. How do you remember to do them all? Well, I'm going to tell you a little secret. The secret to remembering to do them all is not to remember to do them all. The secret is to throw them in a system that reminds you at the right time. The last couple of weeks, we've been looking at entering tasks into Remember the Milk. Go back and look at some of the tasks that you have on your list and click that All Task button and see what some of those are. Do you see any that are going to be done not just once, but on a repeating basis? Here's how to handle them. Here I am in Remember the Milk. I have a task. It's a Fab Fiver today called Run the XYZ Report. Only I know that I have to run that report each and every week. Instead of having to remember to do it every week, let me just make it a repeating task and let Remember the Milk handle it. I'm going to click to select that task, and look what happens. The pane opens up where I can change the due date, etc., if I needed to. But the thing I want to do is click the pencil and tell it when to repeat. I can say every day, every week, every month, all the selections that you see here, but I'm going to say every week. If there was some information I wanted to have at hand when I do that report, I could just put it here in the notes section. All right, we'll uncheck it. It's there on the list for me. So I'm going through my items. I run the XYZ report. I select it. I check it off as done, and it's gone. When am I going to see it again? If I click on all tasks, you can see that it is here with a due date of March the 5th, which is 7 days after when I'm recording this video for you. Let's do another one. Let's say that exercise is something that I need to do and I want to put it on my list. So we'll just add it as a new task. We see that it shows up here at the bottom of the list as a priority 4. Let's move that up. I want to do that in the morning, so I'm going to put a check mark beside it. I'm going to come up, and from the priority, I'm going to say priority 2. Notice how it jumps right up here among the other morning tasks. And now I want to make that a repeating task, so I'll leave it checked. I'll go over and I'll say repeat every day, and it's done. So now when I do my exercises, I can now check that. I'll check it off as complete. It's gone from the list. When will it reappear? Let's look at tomorrow's tasks, and there it is, scheduled for tomorrow morning. Now, what exactly should your repeating task be? Well, this week on the podcast, I'm going to be giving you a behind the scenes look at some of the items I have on my list. So come with something to write with and something to write on. Take some ideas from me, add the ones that you think of from your own life. And as you go through your day to day experiences, each time you put something on your list, ask yourself, am I doing this one time and checking it off? Or is this a repeating item that I can forget about and let my system remind me about each and every time? That's what we need to do. Let the system do the remembering. Use your brain for more creative activities. I hope you found this episode to be helpful to make your life easier and less stressful. Thanks for stopping by. This has been Frank Buck helping you get organized and make it look easy.